So tomorrow is Alana's 5th birthday, and I'm having her wait outside, and I'm bringing her a present for her 5th birthday. So I'm gonna film her reaction to me bringing out her birthday present. Alana, look.
You're on candid camera.
Wait, that's right. Nana, what is it? Come here. What is it?
A bicycle.
That's right. Here.
Mommy.
Oh, that's
I
right.
can help.
Are you excited? Do you want Dad to help you? Put your helmet on?
No, I want help.
Mommy? Whoops.
What's the boy doing?
He's playing the piano.
Why?
I don't know.
I want paper too.
Oh.
Lana. Let me see your helmet. I'll help you put it on.
No, I'm mommy.
Mommy?
Oh my goodness.
Well, it's on the ground now.
Mommy, help me.
Yeah, here. How about, hi. How about you go over there and you have Dad help you? Okay?
Is it good?
In the grass?
Yeah, but don't walk off. Don't slide on me.
Honey, he won't get your chin, okay? I promise.
No.
No. But you gotta wear your helmet if you're gonna. No, he won't buckle you on your neck, okay, honey? If you wanna ride this bike.
Come here.
Dad, don't buckle.
You have to come over here, though.
Don't buckle.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, honey. If you wanna ride on your bike, you gotta buckle it, okay? Honey, it's okay. Honey, it's okay.
No.
It's okay, honey. See? That's it. That's it, okay? Are you ready? Okay, here. I'm gonna face it this way. Ready? There you go. All right, Dad.
You help me.
Yeah, you just sit on it and then you like push it with your feet. Okay? It's kind of like, remember when you had your tractor? Yeah, just like that. Uh-oh, Dad, we might have to raise the seat.
Here, take him. All right, Alana, you want me to raise the seat?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah, I got
Yeah.
it. Nana. Hi. I love you. Happy birthday.
Have a bad day.
That's right. I love you.
Bye.
Bye.